Maharashtra statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in Maharashtra, inaugurated just 8 months ago, has collapsed, and this has given rise to a new political controversy in the state of Maharashtra. The statue was unveiled by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a fort in Sindhudurg district in December last year, and the incident has come as a major embarrassment for the state government and as a major plank for the opposition to gun for the government in a poll-bound state. Now, Aghadi allies are accusing the Mahayuti Sarkar of focusing more on the headline management and ignoring an icon like Chhatrapati Shivaji. NCP, Congress, Shiv Sena have united in alleging that the state government rushed the inauguration as it had its eyes on the Lok Sabha election. Now, they have also blamed the Shinde Sarkar for poor quality of the work, no respect for the icon, and only wanting to reap the political benefits. Shiv Sena MLA Vaibhav Nayak, along with his supporters, in fact, vandalized the local PWD office in Malwan town to protest against the collapse of the statue, and as his party and colleagues said that Mahayuti will face the repercussions for this in the upcoming state polls. Listen in.
महाराज का अपमान हुआ, पूरे शिवप्रेमी का, महाराज का ही नहीं शिवप्रेमी का अपमान हुआ। पुतले में खड़ा करने वाले कॉन्ट्रैक्टर ने अगर ये काम में चोरी की होगी, कमीशन खोरी की होगी, दलाली खाई होगी, अब ये छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के पुतले में भी ये सरकार कमीशन खाएगी। कौन है ये ठाणे का? हमारी मांग है इनके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई हो।
अत्यंत गंभीर आहे। महाराजांचा पुतळा बसवताना या सरकारने काळजी घेतली नाही। सरकार त्याला जबाबदार आहे। सरकारने केवळ आणि केवळ पंतप्रधानांच्या हस्ते हा पुतळा उभारायचा एवढा उद्देश ठेवून इव्हेंट केली, पण मूळ महाराजांच्या प्रती जी काळजी घेणं आवश्यक होतं, पुतळा उभारताना त्याच्या बळकटीची, त्याच्या सर्वच तिथल्या वाऱ्याची, तिथल्या सगळ्या परिस्थितीची, याचा दुर्लक्ष करण्याचं काम झालेलं आहे। मी नेहमी म्हणतो की हे सरकार इव्हेंट सरकार आहे, यांना कामाच्या दर्जाविषयी देणं घेणं नाही।
ये महायुति की सरकार क्या करना चाहती है? इस पुतले का उद्घाटन स्वयं भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अपने कर कमलों द्वारा किया था। मतलब प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस विषय को ले रहे हैं उस विषय में भी भ्रष्टाचार। इसका जवाब महायुति सरकार को महाराष्ट्र की जनता आने वाले चुनाव में देकर रहेगी।
Amid the outrage, Chief Minister of Maharashtra Eknath Shinde has blamed strong winds for the cave-in and vowed to rebuild the entire structure again. Asked about the collapse, Shinde said that the statue was designed and built by the Navy. Now, Sindhudurg Guardian Minister Ravindra Chavan, who's also the PWD Minister, said that a case has been filed against those involved in the statue work. He also went on to say that the steel that was used in making the statue had started rusting and that the PWD had already written to the Navy officials informing them about the statue catching the rust and requesting them to take appropriate steps. Now, the Navy has also deputed a team to immediately investigate what led to this unfortunate incident and initiate the steps to repair, restore and reinstate the statue at the earliest.
टीका करायला त्यांना काय वेळच वेळ आहे, त्यामुळे मी काय त्या टीकेकडे काही लक्ष देत नाही। फक्त एवढंच सांगतो, झालेली घटना अतिशय दुर्दैवी आहे। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचं महाराष्ट्राचं आराध्य दैवत आहे आणि ज्या पुतळ्याचं लोकार्पण आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदीजींनी केलं होतं, तो पुतळा त्या कार्यक्रमाला आम्ही होतो। छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज यांचं समिती आहे, हा पुतळा जो आहे हा नेव्हीने उभारला होता। त्याचं कंप्लीट डिझाईन नेव्हीने तयार केलं होतं आणि मी कलेक्टरशी बोलल्यानंतर त्यांनी मला सांगितलं 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर अशा प्रकारचा वारा, सुसाट्याचा वारा जो भोग होता आणि त्या याच्यामध्ये पुतळ्याचं नुकसान झालेलं आहे। पण मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छितो, उद्याच तिथे नेव्हीचे अधिकारी येणार आहेत। आमचे पालकमंत्री रवींद्र चव्हाण देखील घटनास्थळी गेलेत। मी त्यांना सांगितले, सूचना केलेल्या आहेत।
Well, my colleague Shrishti joins us live on the broadcast. Shrishti, the war of words has started between the MVA as well as the Mahayuti. The opposition, in fact, is saying that this is because of the shoddy work. While we heard the reaction coming from the Chief Minister, he said that this was because of the strong wind. We're also learning that a case has been registered. Could you tell us against whom this case has been registered?
Well, of course, the case has been registered in this exact matter wherein statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj collapse against the contractor who was involved in making of this particular statue. Now, the contract was given by Navy to a contractor from Thane, and he has not done his work properly, and that's why the entire statue collapsed. Now, opposition is also alleging that the particular Thane corporate contractor, he hails from Thane, that is a home place for CM Eknath Shinde, and one can understand why he was, awarded that particular contract. However, if we talk about the war of words, now entire opposition is raising allegations against Mahayuti, and they are saying that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, he is a Mahapurush for Maharashtra, he is a god for Maharashtra. And if they are unable to safeguard his statue, what actually they are doing, they are talking about his culture, his legacy. They are doing politics on Shivaji Maharaj's legacy, but they are unable to safeguard his statue. However, now every opposition party leader is saying that they were unable to safeguard. Also, they are doing corruption in the state of Maharashtra, and that is being exposed. Now, this particular statue was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi just few months ago on Navy Day in Sindhudurg district of Maharashtra. But what comes across is that the CM has cited the reason that the winds were, blowing at the speed of 45 kilometers per hour, and that's why the statue collapsed. But this is a big thing which is coming to fore, that the statue which was collapsed, that was just built only 8 to 9 months ago.
That's right. What's important to note here is that a case has been registered, and also Navy has also deputed a team to look into this. Thanking Shrishti for all the details with this.